In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Figma design into Base44. We'll walk through the full process from inside Base44, then jump over to Figma to grab the correct project link, and finally come back to Base44 to generate the import. This is a straightforward workflow, and once you've done it once, it becomes very quick to repeat for future designs. First, go to Base44 and make sure you're on the main app screen. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand side of the interface. This is where you'll find the main navigation area. From there, click on Home. Starting from the Home section helps make sure you're in the right place before beginning the import process. Next, find the prompt box on the screen. In or around that box, click the plus button. This opens up additional options for creating or importing something into your Base44 workspace. When that menu appears, choose Import from Figma. That tells Base44 that instead of starting from scratch, you want to bring in an existing design from your Figma project. Now switch over to your Figma account. Once you're there, go to the project that you want to export. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple similar projects or versions. This can save time and prevent importing the wrong design. When you found the right project, right-click on it. In the menu that appears, click Copy Link. This copies the Figma URL so you can use it in Base44. Make sure the link is copied successfully before moving on. If needed, you can always repeat this step and copy it again. After that, go back to Base44. In the Figma import field, paste the Figma URL you just copied. It's important to paste the full link into the correct input area so Base44 can identify the project properly and connect to the design you want to use. Once the link is pasted, click Generate. Base44 will then begin processing the Figma design and importing it into the platform. Depending on the complexity of the file, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to complete. And that's it. You've now gone through the full process of importing a Figma design into Base44. If you run into any issues, double check that you copied the correct project link from Figma and pasted it into the right field in Base44. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.